Welcome back to Trading with CJ. Today we have another update on Shiba Inu. We've been giving you all the updates on this one, okay, for quite some time now. It feels like quite a while anyway. In the crypto space, it is so volatile. Some of these cryptos can move, 20-30% in a single day. So yeah, last time we spoke about this was a few days ago. We're going to go through what's happened since, where we could potentially go forward, and a little bit of news around Shiba. If you appreciate all these updates, please go ahead and smash a like and subscribe to my channel as well. We post a lot about cryptocurrencies, altcoins, and penny stocks, growth stocks, etc. You name it, anything where we can hopefully make some nice gains in the market over time. We are happy to talk about it. With that in mind, though, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research first. But let's get into this, okay? Shiba Inu. This cryptocurrency has been taking the market by storm, and even to this date, right now, it is still the most watched cryptocurrency on CoinMarketCap. It's been in that pole position just after we actually started speaking about these. It's been in that pole position, and it's still up there. Bitcoin is number 2, and then we've started to get another one coming up, 𝐶 okay, ZOOT. 𝐶 has suddenly gone into position 3, knocking SafeMoon off. So yeah, that's what's going on in our most watched cryptocurrencies. This is just what people are looking at on a daily basis and tracking, and following the trend, which is exciting, okay? If people are following this one, it means it has potential to maybe shoot up and explode and get some nice gains. Let's have a look at the current price. At the time of recording this, has a price of 0.000009. Okay, so still very, a lot of zeros there. We want to knock a few of them zeros off, that is for sure. And it's pretty much break even on the day, which is good compared to a lot of this red that we've been seeing in the market. The last video I spoke about this, everything was red, everything was massively down, but you can see here on the 7-day chart we are still red on the 7 days. However, it does look to be a bit more flatlining, okay? If we go on to the 1 month graph, obviously it's not even been a month since Shiba started taking off, but it does still look considerably down, and it is still considerably down, especially if you bought at those highs around about May the 11th time. The volume has also started to come down. If we go back to the highs of May 11th, it was around about 21 billion, okay, in terms of the volume, and right now at the time of recording we are about 1 billion. So it has considerably dropped off, as you can imagine, okay? People don't want to be in these when they're not running up. When they're running up, it's all great, everyone's buying. When you're seeing red, people start to panic and people start to sell, and we can see that in the historical data as well. Considerably down. We had about 1.5 billion on May the 23rd, 2 billion on 24th, and then 1.5 again on 25th. It's kind of hovering around those numbers right now. However, like I say, the whole market does seem to be somewhat recovering, or at least consolidating. We can see here that Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, Binance Coin, etc. they are looking pretty green in the 24-hour percentage and the 7-day percentage as well. A little bit of red creeping in here and there, but overall we do seem to start coming back. We are starting to see a consolidation, or at least a small upward trend in these cryptos at this moment in time. Now, just to go on to the bit of news that you probably see on my title right now, Coinbase, okay? So people are talking about this one getting onto Coinbase, and there is a change.org petition. And there's a few of them out there, okay? And they're starting to rack up some signatures. This one is list Shiba Inu cryptocurrency as a tradable asset on Coinbase. That has over 10,000 signatures now. The next aim is to get to 15,000. When these get to 100,000, they will have to be reviewed, okay? Coinbase is quite hard to get listed on. There's very few cryptocurrencies break out into that. But Shiba has been the most watched. It's on Binance as well. Even getting onto Binance was a major hurdle. Not to mention all the different exchanges that Shiba has been getting on, which we've covered in all of our videos. Coinbase will be a massive catalyst for this one. Not to say that this will get listed, but nevertheless, the more signatures, the better. Means they'll have to start reviewing this. Means the more popular this cryptocurrency is. Over 10,000 on that particular one. There is another petition as well, which also says Shiba to Coinbase. Over 5,000 on that one as well. So if we do get this Coinbase listing, this is going to be massive for any Shiba holder, okay? It's going to basically broaden this out to more investors. Some people only like to use Coinbase. So if they can only use Coinbase, they don't have the assets to get Shiba. So if you put Shiba on it, they can obviously therefore buy Shiba. Although, with that being said, Shiba does have a lot of exchanges right now on the market. And I want to go into some of the Twitter updates, because they're actually been a bit quiet since we last spoke about it. Last few days I haven't posted much on their Twitter, but we are going to go to our SHIB Informer, which does post a lot of great things. And this was a good catalyst just yesterday. It took a while, but at last, Leash is listed on CoinGecko, another one that we spoke about quite a bit, okay? CoinGecko, and you can see here Sheesh. Any reason why Sheesh is not listed? 6,000 holders, decent market cap. That was on the 1st of May, and 24 days later, we have Leash listed on CoinGecko, which is great. And and you can see here there are two exchanges, or at least two exchanges, that offer leash and now LA tokens, okay? And Hotbit News, of course, they recommend decentralized way to buy. Can be found a link in the Twitter profile for this person here, Sheep Informer. So this is great, okay? Leash, we spoke about this as well. We've got Bone and Leash, two different also payment methods regarding Shiba as well. It's definitely exciting times, okay? Getting Shiba listed into this one. Not much news coming out directly from Shiba at this moment regarding any new exchanges, but you know, what more can we ask? They've been giving out exchange after exchange. We can't get a new exchange every single day, surely not anyway. But yeah, one more thing to touch on. There's a lot of talk going around Shiba scamming, etc. And people saying that there have been airdrops, you know, to request for Shiba tokens, etc. And you can see here a Shiba bonus and all of these sorts of accounts. It's scams, okay? And they say please help by reporting them. These ones are particularly hard to kill, and they are. You know, you cannot help this space. The crypto space is full of scam. That's why you have to be so careful with what you invest into, okay? Only buy what you are happy to, you know, potentially lose that money. We hope, obviously we hope not to lose the money, but with these all new altcoins or these new tokens on the market, you never can sell. So you always do your own research. I do personally have a small investment into Shiba. It's a small investment, but I like tracking this company. I think it is an exciting cryptocurrency, and I'm definitely excited with the potential for this one. That's why you should always do your own research into these cryptos, okay? There are scammers out there, but this isn't necessarily on the front of the crypto side. This is basically talking about, you know, people requesting payment and people just doing this because it looks legit. We speak about SafeMoon and their SafeMoon wallet. There was a fake SafeMoon wallet that came out. People are transferring money to this, so please be wary. Please be wary in the comment section as well. Anybody putting WhatsApp numbers or contact Matthew, etc., etc. Ignore it all, report it. It is spam, and I'm getting a lot of Pat Mobile as well, okay, which is also very much spam. So it's just something you cannot avoid in the crypto space. However, don't let that deter you with investing into any of these cryptos. Always do your own research, because we can potentially see some exciting ones. There was this article come out here called SHIB Price to Double After Shiba Inu Endures 2-week-long Consolidation. Like I say, this is starting to consolidate now. This is on FX Street, and they go on here to talk about the 4-hour chart. And SHIB price is primed for a breakout. According to the 4-hour chart, recently SHIB bounced off the channel's lower trend line, heading north to attack the top side resistance. Despite almost 2 weeks of consolidation, SHIB has overcome indecision, working in favour of the bulls after gaining over 55% in market value from its bottom. So like I said, that graph didn't look too great, but it has shot up a fair amount again in the grand scheme of things. We're just not nowhere near those highs anytime yet. But hopefully the people who was in this for a quick profit are starting to go out, and we now have some actual investors holding on to Shiba. But yeah, just a little bit of an update around Shiba, what's going on, etc. We're going to keep giving you this, and if we do get some big news out around some new exchanges, etc., we'll of course give it to you. It looks like it's primed for a breakout. Time will tell, okay, right now. Let's see if we can get some of these petitions up. The Robinhood one is still ongoing. The Coinbase, Alibaba, they're all out there as well. Let's see if anyone will take notice of this. Shiba remains in top spot, most watched cryptocurrencies. How long will that last? Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments in the description. And if you appreciate all these videos, please go ahead and smash the like and subscribe to my channel as well. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.